I'm going to show my college bag. What's inside in my college bag? See, this is my college bag, and in first zip, it is mirror. This is mirror, and yeah, I have Dom's Minix plastic crayons. It is of 12 shades. It is of 12 colors, and I have my belt in my bag. Every time I used to have belt because I used to wear belt wearing dress, and I have loops here. These are loops actually. This we can weave this loops and we can make a bracelet and everything. I have lipstick and this lipstick is a nude shade inside matte lipstick. It is of Belgium brown for A21 or 4.2 grams. This shade I wear that day. And I have my sketch pens. It is a brush pen, and I have lip liner. This is my lip liner. It is of Pink Crush glimmer liner for lips. Swiss Beauty lip liner. I have a lip liner, and I have a Belgium brown inside cosmetics lipstick, and I have pen. See this. This is Unomax Bold Run pen, and I have my headsets. And I have my chocolates, and I have this pouch. It is a jewelry pouch actually. I have bangles here. I have earrings. I have ring earring. I have jhumka earring, and everything I have. And then I do not have purse actually. In my first year I have purse everything. Now I don't have purse. I am having 24 set jewelry pouches. In that jewelry pouches, one jewelry pouch I use as a purse, and I put for money. No need of purse, so I didn't buy. If I buy, I will put shopping for that day. And I have this makeup pouch. Here I have my watch. See this one. Then I have lipstick. It is of Jenna Firms. See, this is red color shade. Here I have many lipstick. This is Jenna Firms of red shade. Here I have Estee Lauder purple shade. See this purple color. It is of insolvent plum. Again I have a bracelet. See, this is beads bracelet, and it is of green color. I bought green, that is dark green, dark orange, white color bracelets, and I'm having this colorful bracelet. And I have lip oil. This is RL Beauty lip oil made. Here it is not given made. So I have a loop brace. I have this earring, pink color hoop earring, and I have golden color hoop earring. So these are my beads bracelet collections. And I have actually my name is Aisha A, but I'm having and B in initial, because S is my brother's name and B is my mother's name. I have a ring in my mother's name, and my brother's name starting is S. So I'm having my chain of yes, because it is a sentimental. It is my brother's chain, and this lipstick, I'm having this lipstick. Now coming to this, I'm having my headset. See here, headset has many headsets. I'm having many headsets, but some are not working. And I shopped this, but I didn't show this one. This is banana clip. It is black color. I'm having this bracelet which I did it. See this green color. I bought beads. I bought beads from Amazon Prime. That is, I got gift from my chitti. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what's in my pouch. So see, this is my pouch. Actually zipper has gotten as broken, and this is gum. What's inside my pouch? So these are the rubber bands I purchased. Actually I purchased yesterday. I didn't show you. And this is a clip I purchased. It is green colors. Can you see this? It is of rupees 30 rupees. And I have my brown nail polish, and I have my 4 mini color pencils. So I'm having my crayons. That is wax crayon. It is Flair company creative crayons of 4 pieces. I have another glue. Can you see this? Then I have lead pencil, purple color lead pencil. I have compass, and again I'm having a lipstick in another pouch. And actually the zip got broken, right? In that I'm having a Doraemon pouch. So I'm having my another watch, but it doesn't work now. Now it is not working. I want to buy a new watch. These are the pens I have bought. And I have eraser. This ring is very sentimental, because it is gifted by my friend Divya. And I have my rubber band. See this is a bow rubber band. I have a clip. It is mini clip. Actually I purchased yesterday, and I wear this clip today for my college. So I have my calci. This is my calci. And I have my identity card. This is my identity card. And I have my hairband, headband, and actually this is pink color bead bracelet. Actually it is broken, so I could not expand it. I could not use it. So I'm just keeping for my memories, as my college memories. And this is my small comb. And I'm having my erasers. It is smiley eraser. Can you see this eraser? It is of 8 rupees. Can you see this eraser? And I have another lipstick shade of brown color. It is Hilarophobia brown shade lipstick. Actually this lipstick is used by my friend. And I have another eraser. It is of pink color. Actually it comes from Minix crayon, plastic crayons actually. And I have another two pens. I have two pens. And I have my glitter. Can you see this glitter? It is of purple glitter. I use for some if I am free I will use any for drawing, anything else I will do. And this eraser, I have this eraser. I have this clip. Can you see this clip? I have this yellow clips. I have many colorful clips. And I'm going to next zip. I have my diary. In this diary I will note I will take notes in I will take notes by my own, so I will use this diary. And I have this brooch I used to wear in my shawl. Here in hijab I will put as a hijab, and I used to wear it. See, this is my brooch. And this is my bracelet, what I did it. Can you see this blue color bracelet? And this is attar. Can you see this? This is color rich Hearty Root 347 lipstick. It is of red color shade. Actually in common we have to say it is a red color shade. And it is stand. Can you see this? And this is cable for my phone, but usually I don't use this cable. And I have these sticks. I use these sticks. I usually have this cable, this charger. I have this headset. I used to have actually I bought the day before, actually this week only, day before yesterday or anything, I don't know. I just bought this one, this string for beads making. Actually this is a third zip. I'm having quilling paper. In this we can make we can fold the paper and we can do many craft. And I have 1 second pen. I'm having a new pen. I have my BTS batch. Actually now it is broken. Now I'm having the head part and I don't have that pin part. And this is my note, max note. Actually this is my assignment. This is my another note. And I have another pouch. in that I am having tablet. uh, I'm having Dom's eraser, Dom's scale, Dom's pencil, and I'm having pens. It is of company Flair Zen ball pen. I'm having 3 ball pens, and I'm having Dom's sharpener and this pouch, and these are my thing. And again I'm having black pen in separate pouch, and this is my last zip. These are the things I'm having in my bag. uh, this is my what's inside my bag. Thank you and have a nice day. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.